In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the foot lever and spring tension for operator comfort. The foot lever should be positioned at a comfortable angle based on the height of the operator. This helps improve control, comfort, and consistency during machine operation. To adjust the foot lever angle, locate the two mounting bolts and nuts that hold the foot lever assembly in place. You will need two 13mm wrenches or sockets depending on what is available. Using both tools, loosen the two nuts enough to allow the foot lever angle to move freely. Do not remove the hardware completely. Once loosened, adjust the foot lever to the desired operating angle for the operator. Make sure the position feels comfortable and allow smooth operation without excessive strain. Once the correct angle is set, tighten both nuts securely and lock the foot lever back into position. Next, we will adjust the spring tension. At the rear of the foot lever assembly, there's a return spring connected to a turnbuckle. This spring controls how much resistance and return tension the foot lever has during operation. To increase tension, rotate the turnbuckle to tighten the spring. To decrease tension, rotate the turnbuckle the opposite way to loosen the spring. Adjust the spring tension until the foot lever feels balanced and comfortable for the operator. It should return properly without feeling too stiff or too loose. After adjustment, test the foot lever several times to verify smooth movement, proper return, and comfortable operation. Proper foot lever adjustment improves operator control, reduces fatigue, and helps maintain consistent machine performance. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call our office at 330-833-6739 for additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.